How are you? How are you feeling?
How am I feeling? Feeling bad because nobody knew that all this will happen, this pandemic and corona, and everybody would be at their homes and won't be able to meet their loved ones. As I am also here in Mumbai and not able to go to Delhi to meet my family. So yeah, it's been time now.
Many celebs have been flying out also. They are traveling as
I asked my parents that should I come now? So they are like, कि नहीं, you're alive. That is more than enough for us. Please don't come. You never know what happens. No, आज नहीं हुआ, कल हो गया corona. Then what? So they are saying just be in your home and just be safe. That is all what we want right now.
कितना टाइम हो गया है घर से बाहर अभी?
I went there होली पर. तो होली के बाद मैं तो हर ओकेजन पर घर जाती ही हूँ. 6-7 चक्कर तो साल भर के लग ही जाते हैं. बट लाइक फॉर अ डे, नॉट फॉर बहुत ज्यादा लंबा टाइम. तो ओकेजन्स पे वो एक दिन जो होता है, आई एम देयर with my family. So होली पर for one day I was there, but I had to come here for some work. Then I'm just not able to go. Yeah, stuck here. So what I have started, this is an initiative as this is Mental Health Awareness Month, the month of May. So I have taken up this initiative to talk to people because मेरे जैसे और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो घर के अंदर है, they are not able to talk और frustrate हो जाते हैं and किससे बात करें, किससे पूछें, हम इस problem में हैं. So I just thought to help them out. And I feel so happy to help them. And मैं हर हफ्ते, like this is a week thing, week initiative. तो every week एक question answer जो section होता है story में. So I have put it. So yesterday was my first day to answer, and I answered maximum all of them. Like there were thousands and thousands, so I could not answer, but I answered जब तक मुझे नींद नहीं आई. So because I could feel that those are real problems of people. So I was really happy to help all of them. So I felt happy, and it's quite good. It's rejuvenating that you can help also to people, and I'm getting so many positive response also. So I'm happy about it. So I'm very excited for today's. So मैंने डाला है that question and answer thing. So questions बहुत सारे आ रहे हैं, and I'll answer them.
What prompted you to take up this initiative and talk about mental health awareness?
See, like everybody used to call me like, are you okay? And बात में बात हो जाती है. Like people have their problems also, and मैं ऐसी खबरें भी सुन ही रही हूँ, पढ़ ही रही हूँ that यहाँ ये झगड़ा हो गया, वहाँ. There's so many problems. So I just felt like I am here at home, and मुझे अगर कोई भी टेंशन हो सकता है, I think I am naive enough, I am sane enough to call my parents. Maybe many people are not like that. कुछ लोगों के पास their best friends या their partners या their parents are not there to discuss certain things. There are so many people. So I just felt like why not to talk to them. And I love helping out people. My nature is like that. So I think this initiative suits me a lot, and I love talking to them. I just loved helping out them, and it's all the love which I'm getting. So I'm happy about it.
How are you coping up living alone?
Though it's been 4.5 years in Mumbai that I am living alone, but वो हमेशा काम में ही निकल गया. Like I was always working like back to back, 4 years, 4 shows. So I never realized it that I'm living alone, because maximum of the time I was there on set only. घर पे तो like that 4-5 hours of sleep only I used to come. So never realized that much. But this time I am realizing it because I'm all alone at home. And what it is about, it is I think teaching you patience, teaching you self-care, which I never used to do before. Because you have help at your home, they are doing their work, cooking, cleaning, everything. बट अभी जो है वो सेल्फ केयर जो होता है, दैट यू हैव टू डू इट, यू हैव टू लर्न एंड यू हैव टू डू इट. So that is for survival. I think it is for best only, because कोई भी चीज ऐसे drain नहीं होती है. You only learn from all those things, and कभी ना कभी आपको काम ही आएगा. Like I know how to cook now. I think I can be a good wife. I would be able to keep my husband happy, I think. Yeah.
Ronal, अभी जैसे आपने बताया that you have been talking to people regarding mental health and all. Recently, your co-star from Dil Happy Hai Ji had committed suicide. अभी भी industry में भी getting shocking.
Yeah, yesterday. Yes.
And all.
It is.
What's your take on this? Like, how are you coping up with all this news? No.
I feel very sad. Because they don't have, I don't want anyone else to do this. Please talk to me. Please talk to me. अगर आपको कोई भी problem है, कोई भी depression से related problem है, because it happens when you don't have people around you who can help them out. आजकल क्या होता है, what people do, उसको tension है छोड़ना, उससे दूर रहो. They don't talk to those people. अरे they want you. I've seen many people around me also, when other person is sad or crying or something, they won't go to them. And वो ना एक fraction of second लगता है to have that decision कि आप you want to take your life. And I have read psychology and in my like 11th 12th, but I know I can feel, I can empathize with people, I think. And what it is that जो वो decision होता है ना, it is just that fraction of a second that person always tells everyone around them कि see, I am sad, I think I should not do this, या मुझे चला जाना चाहिए. And all those thoughts, when all these thoughts are coming, there should be someone who should say to that person कि नहीं, be strong. अगर कोई आपको ऐसा मिल गया, हाँ ठीक है ना, हो जाएगा, चलना छोड़ना, and आपसे वो बोलते हैं ना कि निकल गया, बात नहीं कर रहा है, so you don't have anyone to support you. Everybody needs support. Whosoever is working, I'll say, whosoever is working, whosoever has come up, they have come up through support only. Everybody wants everyone. So please be there. कोई भी अपने आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पाता है. It is always support. मैं भी किसी और को help करूँ. It should always be like that. When people are supporting you, you should also support people. So it should be that give and take thing, and this is how life works, I think. And I'm so happy अगर मैं थोड़ा सा भी part किसी की help में दे पाऊँ, so it would be the best thing I think I can do in my life. Yeah.
Taking away one's life because of financial woes, like you being a part of the TV industry, feel that there should be a change in the payment structure for those who are not regular on the acting line, or for other people.
Yeah, because हमारी फील्ड में ऐसा है that after 3 months ही payment मिलती है, and I would just say that acting is not easy. You need to be strong enough, patient enough to survive all this. अगर आप हैं उतने strong and patient, then only come in acting. It is not a game. You cannot take your life, you know. Rather, you should understand people who are passionate enough only should come. And secondly, you don't make acting as, you know, when people are into this industry and they have worked a lot, they are getting paid good also. But Aparna is saying hi Appu. Okay, so people who are passionate enough should do it actually. And I'll say कि ना एक बैकअप लेके चलो तो बेटर रहेगा. Because मैं जब इस इंडस्ट्री में आई थी ना, तो भी मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि मुझे 3 महीने 4 महीने बाद पेमेंट मिलेगा. I also didn't know. I got shocked when I came here. But thankfully I was working before. और मैंने जितना पैसा कमाया था, I'll say because वो जितना भी था, I had to divide that in 4 because वो 3 months नहीं होता, वो फिर 4 months होता है. 4 मंथ 4th मंथ के एंड में ऐसा हो जाता है। सो वो जितना पैसा था आई हैड डिवाइडेड दैट इन 4 मंथ्स कि मुझे इसमें ना इतना ही खर्च करना है। सो आई हैव ऑल्सो गॉन थ्रू ऑल दैट, बट थैंकफुली आई वॉज वर्किंग एंड maybe by God's grace I was prepared. Maybe you people are not that lucky enough. So I am telling you, whenever you want to come into this industry, have that much of backup because nobody knows. लोग जो इस इंडस्ट्री के बाहर है उनको नहीं पता कि 3 महीने बाद पैसा मिलता है। So right now, whosoever is listening to me, understand this thing, make money. और आपको अगर एक्टिंग करना है तो साइड बाय साइड आपके पास वो मनी रोटेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है। Then only you try. ऐसे सब छोड़ छाड़ के don't come like this. So yeah, I would say, and I would love to appeal to people, to the production house, to the channel, कि आप 3 महीने बाद पेमेंट ना करें। It is sad because 4 महीने का वो सर्वाइवल बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कई लोगों के लिए। That people are killing themselves, यार। मतलब people are killing because you are not paying on time. So this is sad. Why can't you take that responsibility on your own कि ये हम ना होने दे? They have lot of money. Channels have lot of money. Can't they pay like 5,000, 10,000 per day types? They have in crores and billions, you know. So I think they should take care of it, and per month, per day, as a per month payment हो जाना चाहिए. That would be the best thing they can do.
Many actors have also spoken about their payments being fault, not getting paid. Previous shows, did you also face? Are you
No,
also facing-
thankfully, मेरी सारी payment. I think I'm lucky enough. Maybe people are not that lucky enough. So I'm talking to them. मुझे ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुआ because मैंने तो any which ways I had taken break from TV for a while. To explore certain other things also, but because मैं थक भी गई थी back to back shows करके, so I really wanted time for myself. So I thought that I will give time to myself. That is why. But मेरा जो payment है वो सारा clear हो गया by God's grace. Thankfully, I was lucky enough. But please, you people take care of it. कि आप कुछ side business या कुछ side by side आप करते रहिए and just be strong. बहुत जल्दी हार मत मानिए because जो sad moment होता है ना वो बहुत कम टाइम के लिए होता है। मतलब life is always like up and down. आपको बस you have to need to go out from that. You have to be strong enough to pass all that. So बस you never know उसके बाद क्या पता बहुत सारी happiness आपके किस्मत में लिखी हो। You never know. So just don't stop working. Work hard. Hard work always pays.
अभी बहुत सारे एक्टर्स दे आर शूटिंग फ्रॉम होम, लाइक सॉन्ग और लाइक शॉर्ट फिल्म्स एंड ऑल। आप कुछ कर रहे हो ऐसा?
Oh yes. My previous production house, Rashmi Sharma, so they have come up with this rap song, 2020 की कहानी. So I was a part of that. वो आएगा अभी Thursday को शायद रिलीज होगा. So that and छोटा मोटा कुछ ना कुछ करते ही रहते हैं। मतलब क्वारंटीन में क्या करें? So कुछ वेब शो जैसे one of me and my friend. So we are coming up with a small web show sort of a thing, like a 5 minutes sort of conversation. So वो या मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने गाना गाया था about नारी शक्ति की everybody. So yeah, so all these छोटा मोटा things I am doing to keep me engaged actually.
Another question we have, Didi, which is your, I can't read the name, it's not visible. Didi, which is your best serial in which you have acted?
Best serial मुझे तो actually मेरे actually your leads are always your best serials, and your first serial is always your best because आप अपना 100% उसमें देते हो। तो I will say एक दीवाना था, and because I gave my heart out there, because उसमें इतना थ्रिलर एंड हार्नेस और बहुत सारी चीजें उसमें एक्टिविटीज भी थी करने के लिए, एंड आई लव्ड डूइंग दैट, सो आई विल से एक दीवाना था।
Talking about acting, you started off as an anchor.
I was Doordarshan Chitrahar की anchor. in Delhi. I was there in Delhi, तो Mandi House में, Doordarshan Bhavan. So I used to be there and do anchoring there, Doordarshan Chaturhat. Yeah.
So how was that experience, if you can recall?
Oh, that was lovely. Because my parents always wanted me to become an anchor. I was a journalist. So yeah, in news, I was there in news. I was there in guest coordination and also. But my parents always wanted me to become an anchor. So when I got this opportunity, I was also, आप मेहनत करते हैं कि कैसे एंकरिंग करनी है, आप एकदम फ्रेश होते हैं. So I got this opportunity and but I wanted to come here to pursue acting as well. So my parents were like कि नहीं, आप पहले एंकर बन जाओ, because आपने पढ़ाई तो जर्नलिज्म की ही की है. मैंने जर्नलिज्म पढ़ा था, फिल्म स्टडीज नहीं पढ़ा था. So and it is all obviously a prestigious job also, but जो acting field है, that is very uncertain. So what happened, जिस दिन मेरा first day था anchoring का, I came home and I told my parents, see, this is your dream, now let me go to fetch my dream. So it was like that. I was anchoring about like 8-9 months. 8-9 महीने लग गए फिर भी पेरेंट्स को परस्यू करने, मनाने के लिए कि प्लीज अब मुझे जाने दो. So yeah, like that. Yeah.
So acting, was it because of the glam factor, or like you wanted to become an actress?
No, glam, I don't ever knew that I look good. Nobody used to tell me. It happened, I'll tell you, there's a story behind it. When I was in my college, तो college में orientation classes थी, वो 1 month orientation classes होती है. So वहाँ पे photographer आए and he came कि जो कॉलेज का वो ब्रोशर होता है उसके लिए फोटोग्राफ्स क्लिक करने के लिए बच्चे they were selecting. So they selected me out of like hundreds and hundreds of people. I was like, okay, but that was the first time I realized मैं थोड़ा ठीक ठाक लगती हूँ, that is why he came and selected me. So that was my first realization. उससे पहले तो because we are like from hills and पूरा खानदान ही लोग सुंदर हैं. I think I'm the least सुंदर girl in my खानदान. My mother, my brother is also handsome, my dad, पूरा खानदान. So they never say मतलब कि कहाँ से, मतलब I don't know. They are like that, my parents.
But why this self-criticism thought that मैं सुंदर नहीं हूँ?
अरे मतलब आसपास I can see that there are many people who are beautiful around me. My whole family, my didis and my mother and my father and my brother. मतलब I'm the least beautiful amongst them, I think. I don't know. But yeah.
Is pretty. Like you shouldn't be judging yourself like this.
No, it's not judging. It's like okay. When people say it is good, you don't realize it on your own. When people say it is good, then it is good. अगर कोई कहता है कि मेरी एक्टिंग अच्छी है, then it is good. ना मैं तो नहीं कह सकती ना कि नहीं मैंने तो बहुत अच्छा काम किया. It is never like this, I think. So I think.
कॉलेज में कभी ऐसा फेस किया है, like any criticism or anything like that?
नहीं यार, that time I never used to realize like boys so are like always after you. Girls के पीछे तो लड़के पड़े ही रहते हैं, तो मतलब every now and then. That time I never used to realize that maybe I look pretty, that is why people are after me. मैं irritated रहती थी, why please go away. So I never used to make my hair properly, and because I used to get irritated. Yeah, please, I want to study. I was very studious and study. Don't want to get distracted. That sort of a person. So yeah, I never realized it.
Tell us, how was your bond with Shashank के दौरान? Like, you have a lot of adventures, like also with him.
And news also that we fought. No, because एक तो everybody is different, I will say, and क्या होता है कि बहुत सारी चीजें होती है, उसको किसी तरीके से करनी है, मुझे किसी तरीके से करनी है. सो बहुत सारे वैसे डिफरेंसेस तो नॉर्मली होते ही है. एंड वो बात का बतंगड़ बनाने वाली बात थी जो एकदम से ऐसा ब्लास्ट हो गया एंड एवरीबॉडी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट वी फॉट और समथिंग. नो, इट वाज नॉट लाइक दैट. We have a great bond. We talk right now also, and I'll say he's a nice guy, and we yeah, मतलब ऐसा कुछ ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. It was always that on work related issues कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. Everybody has their own thought process, you know, so like that.
But दिल तो happy है जी, like your role suddenly had to get eliminated and all, like
हाँ, I replaced I replaced Jasmine there. The producers called me up to replace her. So I was like, okay, we didn't know because I was told that कि you know we चलाने के लिए ही we are doing all this, and because they had all this कि एक साल भर तक आराम से चलेगा, and they had all the preparations. They were telling me all that कि what preparations they had for next year and all that. I was quite convinced about it because एक तो 4 lines का show है, and उनके shows इतनी जल्दी बंद होते नहीं है, सारे shows अच्छे ही चलते हैं. So there were some internal issues, I think, what they had because of that. एकदम से मतलब I asked कि मतलब ये क्या रातों रात हो गया, like रातों रात ही दिन दहाड़े हो गया. Like what happened? So we all, the production house was also shocked because channel को संजीवनी लेकर के आना था, and nobody knew कि वो 6:30 के slot पर आएगा, and we were also very confident कि 6:30 के slot पर तो संजीवनी को नहीं लेकर के आएंगे because it's a big budget show and prime time वाला show जो होता है 8-9 बजे वाला show, I think, but they chose this time. We all were shocked. But I will say it because संजीवनी उतना नहीं चला, हमारी कम से कम 1 की तो TRP थी constant, 1.1, and संजीवनी was like 0.6, 0.7 after that, and I think हमारा show चलना चाहिए था. It would have done better, I think.
So you took a break from TV उसके बाद, and like अभी lockdown के बाद भी काफी सारे restrictions हो गए while shooting and all. What's your plan next? मतलब TV में आप दिखोगे या you'll try out other ventures?
Yeah, why not? You know, अभी इतनी सी life है, फिर बड़े हो जाएंगे, then nobody will take me as heroine maybe. You don't know, it is the truth, you know. So, पता नहीं, I'm just thinking to try out in different mediums also. I'm getting many calls and so many things are there, but कुछ करना है तो कुछ ऐसा करना है जो कि people will also accept, like web shows में भी क्या होता है कि I cannot do things which revolves around my body or maybe that particular bed scene or particular smooth scene. I have to, I want content which will speak for my web show. So those things are there. And films, if it happens, I don't have any godfather in this industry. जितना भी मैंने किया है खुद से ही मेहनत करके I have come up till here. I've just started. I've not done anything much till now, but hope so if my hard work pays and थोड़ा लक भी चाहिए होता है, आई थिंक, एंड आप लोगों की दुआएं चाहिए, आप लोगों का सबका प्यार चाहिए, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. होप सो इफ समथिंग गुड हैपेंस, लेट्स सी.
Feel that TV actresses maybe like age factor works कि after a certain age you will not get the role of lead heroine या ऐसा कुछ?
देखिए क्या होता है कि ना, एज अगर आपके चेहरे पर दिखने लग जाती है तो ऑब्वियसली people wants to see young people, fresh people, you know, not very mature वाली भी अलग serials होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होते, but they are very less. और I want to be somebody who wants to work more and more. So I don't want to waste my time actually कि नहीं देख लेंगे कर लेंगे. No, I'm not like that कि भगवान भरोसे छोड़ दिया. I would love to work as much as I can and जितना हो सकता है. That is why, you know, TV में क्या होता है कि they want new faces also, you know, and till the time you need to establish yourself that they will demand you always. So that establishment has to be there.
और टीवी में हम देखते भी है that like in 20s or your 30s, like an actress plays the role of a grandmother also. So do you have any
Hmm.
such indication कि अगर आपको ऐसा रोल मिले?
Grandmother? No, no. I don't want to do it. नहीं,
Mother
if
or
the
grandmother?
character, नहीं, if the character, नहीं, I think मेरी अभी वो एज नहीं है कि मैं वैसा रोल पे सूट भी करूंगी. But after a while, you know, what happens कि I would love to do characters. ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't deny, but it should be like a center point. Maybe आपके ऊपर वो सीरियल या वो फिल्म डिपेंड करे, या you are the lead of that project, then it is fine. I think if my age suits, then it is fine. I would love to do characters. अभी मैं कल एक फिल्म देख रही थी, Modi. It is on Netflix. So that character, and she is playing this lady who is little, she's not able to walk, and she's a beautiful painter, and कैसे उसकी journey है. So it's not that that lady was looking very beautiful or something, but that was her character, and she was doing that character so beautifully, and whole film was around her only. So why not to become like, because क्या होता है कि ना, character speaks a lot. It is not what you are doing कि आपको हमेशा सुंदर ही लगना है, but it is always the characters which people relate to, and people love you as what you're playing, not how you're looking actually. So people love you from your heart, inside what it is. So I would love to play characters which are good.
And also,
Lovable.
do you have reservations about bold scenes or like intimate scenes?
See, doing all these scenes in those platforms जो उसको उस तरीके से ही दिखाते हैं, like there are many platforms. I don't want to name all of them, but there are so many कि ना, आप एक चीज को अच्छे तरीके से भी दिखा सकते हो. Like आप मैंने जो एक सीरीज देखी, उसमें भी ये सब था, but it was depicted in another way, in a beautiful way, कि आपको देखने में गंदा नहीं लगता है, you know. And second thing कि वो जो स्टोरी है वो उस सेक्स सीन के ऊपर रिवॉल्व नहीं है. इट इज अ स्टोरी जिसके अंदर वो ऐसे मतलब मिक्स हो जाता है कि आपको पता भी नहीं चलता, you know. If it is like that and it is for a good platform, which I know कि लोग मतलब will say कि अच्छा, oh that story was really nice, they will not talk about that scene, you know. Maybe I can do, but अभी तो on those platforms जिनका मुझे पता है कि they'll not show it in a right way, and the story is not good, the scene is revolving around that, this film or the web show is revolving around that only. I'm not up for that, not at all.
डोनल, आई रिमेम्बर आप जब मरीन ड्राइव में स्नीक आउट की बात कर रहे थे, आई रिमेम्बर लाइक वीडियोस ऑफ यू विद लक्ष्मी अग्रवाल.
Oh yes. Yes.
Tell us how is your, like, how did that bond happen? Like, how are you friends with
Oh,
her?
yeah, it's a beautiful journey. I was in media, so in this particular channel, I was working as a guest coordinator only. So I was heading this show that time. उड़ान करके एक शो था जो कि हमारे जो चैनल के हेड थे, he decided कि सारी ब्यूटीफुल लड़कियां जो होती हैं उन्हीं को एंकर बना देते हैं ना. So why not her? तो उड़ान was the story of people जो कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम से रिटार्डेड हैं या कुछ भी इश्यूज हैं, but they have still done good in their lives and made India proud or something. So those people used to come in our show. So it was my responsibility to handle everything and take find those kind of people, some medalist या कुछ ना कुछ Padma Shri किसी को मिला, something like that. So that was those times when I interacted with her, and she was the anchor. She came and we became friends. We used to go out. Like I was handling this show, so I used to take her for shopping as well, जो वो show में पहनेगी. So we used to roam around CP जो Delhi में है, Connaught Place. So like that, we used to eat out, have dinners. So it was a beautiful journey. So पूरा जो वो 6 महीना 7 महीना जो वो शो चला, it was our bond became stronger and stronger, and I got to know so much about her. She used to share so much stories and how it happened to her and what she was feeling. Although we had a lot of time to talk while traveling also, she told me about her story, and there was tears in my eyes when I heard all those, what exactly point to point happened from her own mouth. कैसे वो एसिड लगता है, एंड आप अगर पानी डाल देते हो तो ऐसा लगता है पूरा स्किन निकले जा रहा है, all, oh god. So I told her this thing, but she is so brave enough, and हो गए इस बात को शायद 6-7-8 साल, आई थिंक 7 साल कुछ तो हो गए, 7-8 साल. That time I told her, I still remember that car जो travel था हमारा, and I told her, लक्ष्मी तेरी इस बात पे ना या तो मूवी बननी चाहिए upon you, या तो बुक लिखनी चाहिए. It needs to be out. And when this came, this movie Deepika Padukone की छपाक, I was the happiest one. I called her up there and then, मैंने कहा, see, it is happening. She's like, yes. Like, I'm so happy to see you here. Yeah, so she's one girl who is like very confident and empowering and positive. Hats off to this girl, yeah.
Do you also aspire to go to Bollywood in some time in near future?
Yeah, I think every actor wants to grow and grow. Let's see, I don't know, I don't have a godfather, so I don't know how it will happen, who are the right people. I don't know, because I'm from TV, and TV people know me, and I know what is wrong, what is right, so Bollywood is still, it is still little far. I don't know how much far, but let's see. I'm trying. People are approaching, but those films which like आई गई चली गई पता नहीं चला, तो ऐसी तो फिल्मों के ऑफर आते ही रहते हैं. No, but I don't want to do all those. I would love to do Sujit Sarkar's film. जैसे पिंक आई थी, जैसे या तो विकी डोनर आई थी, अभी गुलाबो सिताबो आ रही है. So those kind of roles which has meaning to my character, I'm waiting for those. I don't want to do all these films जो आई गई पता नहीं चली. I want to do some character driven role जो कि मतलब it is important and लोगों को पता चले.